Just got here. Here it is, you guys. Sheesh. Adro. First, just using some floss, and it should just come right off. A little mock-up. See? I want to see. Get a sneak peek look. Can we do it? Let's see. What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Speedy Corey 6 coming through with another video, man. And thank you guys for tuning into another video. I truly appreciate you guys. And in today's video, we got a great one in store. We are in the M4 right now, and we are finally doing a mod that I've been wanting to do for the longest time. And I can't believe we're actually in the position finally to be doing it, and I found the wing and everything. So without further ado, what we are going to be doing today, if you clicked on the title, you know what we are. We are going to be picking up a new Adro wing for the M4 for the trunk, and I am so excited to do it. It's going to make the M4 look so much more crazy, aggressive. As you guys do know, I do have the Adro front bumper, you know, and I painted that, did all that stuff, so shout out to the homie Kicks, because it actually did come off of his old M4. But we finally, to complete the full body kit, I won't say full body kit because I don't have the side skirts or the rear diffuser yet, but to kind of complete the look with the Adro bumper, we are finally going to be doing the Adro wing. People love it. Some people really hate it. I absolutely love it. I remember the first time actually seeing it, and like I was like, man, if I could ever do an M4 and I could have that wing, like that would be crazy. So we are going to be heading over to go pick up the part right now. So I'm super excited to do it, man, because the front end is so aggressive with the Adro bumper, and now even the carbon fiber hood. So the rear end, it just has not been matching the aggressiveness that the front bumper and the front end gives. So it's time to finally fix that. So excited about this. I can't believe I'm actually doing it. Like the fact that I can actually be in the position to finally do this to my own M4 is crazy, bro. I remember being in the Q60 thinking about that, like, bruh. So excited right now. So freaking excited. Good old downtown LA. City of dreams. Man. I feel like I never come down this way, honestly. Got another M4 right here.
12 seconds later.
Just got here. Here it is, you guys. Sheesh. Adro. Man, it looks super clean. Nice. It's gonna look so good on the M4. Cannot wait to put it on today. All right, guys, about to give you a quick little before. This is how the M4 is looking right now. See, as you can tell, we got the Adro bumper with the carbon hood. It looks so sick. It's so aggressive, right? With the freaking TEs, side skirt, everything. But then you start coming to the rear end, and the rear end just does not match the aggressiveness. But now that we got the new Adro wing, this rear end is gonna look so much better. I cannot wait to see how it's gonna look. It's gonna match these exhaust tips now. Man, I get so much comments about the exhaust tips saying they're so aggressive, but now that we're gonna have the wing, it's gonna kind of flow with it very well. But bruh, this car, dream spec. Can't believe it's really coming together exactly how I planned it. So sick, so freaking sick. All right, guys, now we got the wing. We're gonna go ahead and head back to the shop, and I'll pick it up then when we get there. But super excited, can't wait to install this thing. I cannot believe we got an Adro wing. Finally, bro, it's about to complete this build. It seems about to look insane, insane.
2 hours later.
Guys, so we just made it back to the shop. Last time seeing it with this look. Don't get me wrong, this look is pretty sick. It is pretty chaka, but man, it's gonna look so much better with the Adro wings. So we're about to get started on doing it right now. And I am supposed to be taking out the motor of the IPO today too, so we got a lot to do. But I want to install the Adro wing first because I want to see how it's gonna look on the M4. I know it's gonna look so crazy. Oh, I can't wait. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start removing the trunk spoiler. And then, yeah, should be pretty easy to do after that, so. All right, guys, switching on to the GoPro. About to get this wing off first. Just using some floss or fishing line to basically get the glue off. And it's pretty hot today, so shouldn't have too much to get this wing off. Should be pretty easy. Boom. There's that. And this should just come right off. Perfect. And I'm gonna clean up all this right now. Get all this 3M gunk off right now, and I'll show you guys what I use to do that. I will sell this wing if you guys want it. 150. All right guys, so this is what we're gonna use to basically get off all the adhesive and stuff from the carbon wing. Yeah, it's just a rubber wheel. It's pretty much it. Only use this on metal, you guys. And then after I get it all up, we'll polish this area and then we'll start putting on the wing. Coming off real easy. All right, cool. So we got most of it off, as you can tell. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and just polish this area real quick. And then we'll start making my little template, and then we'll go ahead and drill into the trunk. So I'm about to polish real quick, just a little two-step, 3M, the best product you can use in a body shop, my honest opinion. All right guys, so now I got the trunk all polished and good to go. As you can tell, it is time to start actually making the diagram and drilling into the trunk. So let's get it. Make a little mock-up. See. I kind of want to see, get a sneak peek look before we do it. Let's see. Oh my God, yes sir. That shit looks crazy. Woo! Wow. Wow. Nah, that looks OD. This thing looks complete now. Oh my eyes. All right, let's get started on actually putting it on. I'm for sure doing it. I was kind of a little iffy, but after seeing it like this, I'm like 100%, let's do it. This thing looks crazy. So sick, so sick. I got it pretty straight, pretty even on both sides. Kind of hard to see. 9.5, like right there, a little bit more than 9.5. And it's pretty accurate on this side too. So about a little bit more than 9.5 as well. So that is it. And I'm gonna go ahead and mark this area right here. And then from there, we should be able to figure out our holes. So I'll show you guys how it looks after. And I realized my badge is too close. So I gotta move that over. But other than that, it's looking good. So happy, like this thing makes it look so much more aggressive. Car looks like a supercar killer now, like legit. Damn near G82 Porsche or something crazy like that. All right guys, so I'm getting ready to drill the holes, and what I did is I took some like painter's paper, and basically what I did, so I basically took this piece of paper and I just put a hole punch just like this, and I created a hole, and all I did was basically align this hole to this spot like that. You can see it better on this one I did much better. So it's lined right there, and then you tape it, so that's exactly where your hole is going to be at. So yeah, so let me go ahead and show you the template. And I did go ahead and remove the M4 badge as well. I'm gonna move it over a little bit. But yeah, so let's go ahead and place it down and see where we need to drill at. So here we go. Aligning it where I want it. All right. So that should be pretty much aligned where I had it. So just like that. We got it exactly where I want it. And now what you do is basically grab some tape, and you're gonna tape down the template you just created. So just tape it down. Like that. Like that. All right, cool. And now let me just make sure this is where I want it, because this is truly the point of no return. But yeah, it's good. We should be able to start drilling. All right, about to take off the wing. Sure, you know, with the diagram, the template to come off, obviously. Boom. There you have it. Here is the template. As you can tell, this is it. This is where it's gonna go at. So, cool. Let's start drilling. Hey, shout out Adro. So first of all, I got all the holes perfectly. All of them are super easy to get to. One right there, down right there, and then here's the 3. So that's all 3 of them right there. Shout out to Adro, man. The precision to get it right here, crazy. And that's how you know you aligned it up pretty good if you get it right in the middle of those. Cool. I was about to just deburr it a little bit. This is a tool just to make it real soft in there. Like that. It's gonna take some paint and go ahead and just put it in the area so that we do not get any rust. 15-20 minutes, we should be good. So I'm gonna let that sit for about 20 minutes and then we'll reinstall the wing and that's it.
20 minutes later.
All right guys, so we are done. Everything is installed correctly. So let me go ahead and show you guys the finished product. Let's get it. Here we go. Oh my goodness, bruh. What? Nah, that is too fire, bruh. I'm so happy right now. That is too clean. Let me switch to my camera now. And boom, here it is, you guys. Oh my gosh. This thing looks crazy with the Adro wing. I'm so happy I did this. I can't believe it. Like, this is really my car. We really got an Adro wing on there now, bro, with the CSL style taillights. Bro, the crazy 4-inch quad tips. Insane, bro. I'm so happy right now. I'm literally speechless, like, bruh. Whew. Oh my goodness, bro. I don't get how you can hate on this. Like, this thing is so sick. Bruh, my car looks insane now, dog. With the Adro front bumper, it's dark out right now, so I can't really give you a good look, but bruh, it's complete now. Now we got the Adro bumper, carbon hood, got the TE, side skirts, and now the Adro V1 wing, bro. Literally, this is a dream come true. Like, I can't believe it. This is really my car. Like, honestly, the wing just changes so much about the car. It looks so much more aggressive. Like, this car actually looks like a supercar now. Woo! Look at that, bro. Ah, so happy. Sheesh. That rear end, though. I'm going from this angle, too. I don't know which angle is my favorite, honestly. This angle is fire, too, but bruh, just look how aggressive it makes the rear end look now. Like, my car is complete. I'm so happy. Bruh, I cannot get over this angle, dog. This is crazy. We are cooking right now, bro. This is about to go so viral on Instagram. Oh yeah. All right guys, so we are on our way home. I'm actually about to link up with Kicks right now to get some dinner. So I'm gonna get his live reaction of the Adro wing. I didn't tell him I put it on. I didn't like send him a picture or anything like that. So we'll get his raw reaction. He gonna be like, oh, Evo? Okay, compa. Okay. Little Adro ring. He's hilarious. But yeah, I'll pick this up when we get to the spot we're gonna eat at today. Oh, 440 right here? Okay, got a little run pulling up right now. I think Kicks is already here, so we'll surprise him. I think I hear something. I don't know. I think I hear like a B58, S58, or shit. ZR1. This fool has so many cars. I don't even know what car he's bringing in. Okay. There you go.
Okay, I see what you did there.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Look familiar, huh?
You got the Astro.
There you go. Very nice. And I already got me some races in too right now on the way home over here.
Very nice.
Very nice.
That is chocolate.
It's damn near your car. Shit. Pretty much. Shit, you gotta take it to Beamer Invasion.
Few moments later.
I appreciate you.
It's not my fault, it's God's fault.
Amen.
Come on.
Thank you, brother. Have a good one.
Yeah, it's white guy.
Alright guys, so we came to the gas station real quick. I want to end the video right here. Just wanted to show you guys. But oh my gosh, I'm absolutely loving how the M4 is looking. Looks insane. Thank you, brother. But bruh, the wing, I don't know how anyone can hate on this thing, bro. That wing is insane. Look at it. Bruh. Fire. I'm absolutely in love. This thing looks so crazy now. Like, I can't believe it, bro. So happy, man. This is finally on my car. A dream come true, man. Dream come true. Like, bruh, how could you not like the Adro wing? Insane. It just completes the car. Like, I think now, honestly, the rear is honestly my favorite part of this car. It looks so crazy. The front is dope too, though. Don't get me wrong. Adro bumper looks so good, but now it's just something about that rear end, man. Fire. But alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video, man. If you guys like it, please leave a thumbs up, man. It definitely helps the channel. Definitely got so much more content coming soon. And bruh, I'm absolutely in love with this thing now. Like, I want to drive this everywhere, bruh. But we still gotta get the IPL running, so did not forget about that car. But like I said, you guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys like it, please leave a thumbs up. Definitely help the channel. Definitely got so much more content coming soon. And like I always say, I'll catch you guys in the next one.